welcome to this summer lookbook. I did want to initially film the lookbook outside, but unfortunately it is currently pouring down. Quite ironic, I'm filming a summer lookbook and it is currently, well, it's very heavy rain, but I live in England and that's just typical English weather.
The dress is from TK Maxx and the shoes are from Zara. I believe the brand of this dress is called Pistachio. It's from TK Maxx. The sandals are from New Look. Again, this is just another very simple, light and airy dress, just paired with some simple sandals. Absolutely love this dress. You can dress it up or down. I think this is just a perfect dress for walking around. I wore it in Italy and it was just so nice, light, cool and airy for those hot summer days. The dress is from TK Maxx. The dress is thrifted and the sandals are from New Look.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please feel free to rate, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe and you get notifications when I upload a new video. So yeah, subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.